Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about cryptocurrency for beginners. I'm going to cover the basics of what cryptocurrency is, how it works, and some of the risks and rewards involved. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. A defining feature of a cryptocurrency, and arguably its most endearing allure, is its organic nature. It is not issued by any central authority, rendering it theoretically immune to government interference or manipulation. Cryptocurrencies use decentralized control as opposed to centralized digital currency and central banking systems. The decentralized control of each cryptocurrency works through distributed ledger technology, DLT, typically a blockchain, that serves as a public transaction database. How does cryptocurrency work? Cryptocurrency works through a system of cryptography, which is a way of encrypting and decrypting data. This makes it very difficult to counterfeit or double-spend cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency transactions are recorded in a public ledger called a blockchain. The blockchain is a distributed ledger, which means that it is maintained by a network of computers. This makes it very difficult to tamper with the blockchain. Risks and rewards of cryptocurrency. There are both risks and rewards associated with cryptocurrency. One of the biggest risks is that cryptocurrency is a relatively new and untested technology. There is always the possibility that something could go wrong with the technology, which could lead to the loss of your investment. Another risk is that the cryptocurrency market is very volatile. This means that the prices of cryptocurrencies can fluctuate wildly, and you could lose money if you sell your cryptocurrency at the wrong time. However, there are also some potential rewards associated with cryptocurrency. One of the biggest rewards is that cryptocurrency has the potential to revolutionize the way we think about money. It could make it easier and cheaper to send and receive money, and it could also make it more secure. How to get started with cryptocurrency. If you're interested in getting started with cryptocurrency, there are a few things you need to do. First, you need to create a cryptocurrency wallet. A cryptocurrency wallet is a software program that stores your cryptocurrency. There are many different cryptocurrency wallets available, so you can choose one that fits your needs. Once you have a cryptocurrency wallet, you need to buy some cryptocurrency. You can buy cryptocurrency on a cryptocurrency exchange. There are many different cryptocurrency exchanges available, so you can choose one that has the cryptocurrencies you want to buy. Cryptocurrency is a new and exciting technology with the potential to change the way we think about money. However, it is important to be aware of the risks involved before you invest in cryptocurrency. If you're interested in learning more about cryptocurrency, I encourage you to do your own research. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has given you a basic understanding of cryptocurrency. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on cryptocurrency and other financial topics.